This is our story. We're two ordinary people living an extraordinary life of full-time world travel. We are just like many people. We went to school, worked hard, raised a family, saved money, and retired. And then we said, let's sell it all and travel the world. Now, we live by the C.S. Lewis quote, "You're never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream." Our goal has not only been to create a YouTube channel, but to create a beautiful website where you can plan your own adventure around the world with travel guides and inspiration. Our hope is that you will use our resources to plan your own trip with confidence and return time and again to plan the next one. We hope you will subscribe to our newsletter and follow our travel journal as we experience the beauty of this great big world. We're John and Bev, and we are the Retirement Travelers.